Hi everyone, welcome. Today we will talk about direct and indirect objects in grammar concepts that sometimes can feel a bit tricky. But don't worry, by the end of this short video you will be able to identify direct and indirect objects confidently. Let's start with the basics. Every sentence needs a verb or an action word. The direct object is the one that receives the action of the verb. Think of it as the thing being acted upon.
For example, in the sentence, the dog chased the ball. Chase is the verb and the ball is the direct object. The dog is doing the chasing and the ball is receiving the action of being chased. Here's another one. She wrote a letter. Wrote is the verb and letter is the direct object. She performed the action of writing and the letter is what she wrote.
Now, let's introduce the indirect object. An indirect object receives the action indirectly. It answers the questions to whom or for whom the action is done. Indirect objects always appear with a direct object. Take this sentence. He gave her a gift. Gave is the verb. Give is the direct object. It's what he gave. Her is the indirect object. It's the person to whom he gave the gift. Another example. I bake my mom a cake. Bake is the verb. Cake is the direct object. And mom is the indirect object, the person for whom the cake was baked. Bake.
To sum up everything, direct object receives the action of the verb directly. It answers what or whom after the verb. However, indirect object receives the action of the verb indirectly. It answers to whom or for whom the action is done. It always appears with a direct object. That's it for today. With a little practice, you'll master identifying direct and indirect object. Just remember to look for the verb, then ask what or whom for the direct object and to whom or for whom for the indirect object. Thanks for watching!